Hello, viewers. Welcome to Restoration City Drama Ministry under CNS Point Church, Surulere District, Onikoko Branch, Abeokuta, Ogun State, where passion meets purpose. Here we bring the Word of God to life through powerful drama, inspiring messages, and spirit-filled storytelling.
Join us on this journey of transformation, healing, and restoration. Well, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel so that you will never miss a moment of what God is doing to us.
This is more than drama. This is a ministry with mission. Welcome to the family.